Here we go. We're going over.
We are now traveling through Rocky Point. During the construction of this railway, 450 tons of black blasting powder was used. Over half of that was used right here in this tiny section. As we exit, you'll be able to see that we'll be traveling on just a narrow shelf of rock blasted out of sheer cliff wall.
That's the better side.
Huh?
That's the better side. I can see perfectly fine from here. You guys can stay there. I don't need to. And he's already on that side.
Okay.
So, sit tight. Yeah, there's not much over here. It's mostly you got the new side.
Whoa, baby.
Start looking down to your left, you'll be able to see the remains of Brackett's Toll Road. George Brackett was the former mayor of Minneapolis, Minnesota. He lost his fortune in the panic of 1893 and built the first road through here, charging $1 per hikers, $10 per horse and wagon, and even 25 cents a dog. At one point, Mr. Brackett was making about $1,000 a day in tolls. Those passers who once used this path for free weren't very pleased with Brackett's attempt to charge them. So they turned on his gates, refusing to pay. Eventually, White Pass bought this road from Brackett for a large sum of $110,000. Right after that, you'll see the most violent section of the Skagway River. The whirlpool section is Class 6 technical rapids that have never been navigated.